Let's start by understanding the fundamental philosophies behind each platform. Housecall Pro, at its heart, often feels like the agile and user-friendly contender. It's designed to be intuitive and accessible, making it a popular choice for smaller to medium-sized businesses looking for a comprehensive solution without a steep learning curve. Think of it as the well-organized digital assistant that integrates seamlessly into your existing workflow. It excels at core functionalities like scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and payment processing, all wrapped in a visually appealing and easy-to-navigate interface. ServiceTitan, on the other hand, often positions itself as the robust and scalable enterprise-level solution. It's built to handle the complexities of larger operations with advanced features for inventory management, marketing automation, and deeper business analytics. Imagine it as the powerful command center, providing granular control and insights across all aspects of your service business. Its strength lies in its ability to handle high volumes of data and provide sophisticated tools for optimizing every facet of your operation. So, what does this mean in practical terms? Let's break down some key areas and see how these two platforms stack up. Scheduling and dispatching. Both Housecall Pro and ServiceTitan offer robust scheduling and dispatching tools that go far beyond a simple digital calendar. You can easily drag and drop appointments, assign technicians based on skills and availability, and optimize routes for maximum efficiency. Real-time updates and technician tracking are standard, allowing you to keep customers informed and manage your mobile workforce effectively. However, ServiceTitan often provides more granular control over dispatching rules and offers advanced features like zoning and capacity planning, which can be particularly beneficial for larger businesses with complex service areas and a high volume of calls. Housecall Pro, while incredibly efficient, might offer a slightly simpler, more streamlined approach that's perfect for businesses that don't require that level of intricate customization. Invoicing and payments. Say goodbye to paper invoices and the endless cycle of chasing payments. Both platforms offer seamless invoicing and payment processing capabilities. You can generate professional-looking invoices directly from completed jobs, email them to customers, and accept various payment methods, including credit cards, checks, and even digital options. Automated payment reminders and integrations with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero further streamline your financial processes. While both excel here, ServiceTitan often boasts more advanced features like tiered pricing structures, commission tracking, and detailed financial reporting that can provide deeper insights into your profitability. Housecall Pro shines with its ease of use and straightforward payment processing, making it incredibly convenient for both you and your customers. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. Building strong customer relationships is crucial for any service business, and both platforms offer solid CRM functionalities. You can store detailed customer information, track service history, manage communications, and even send automated follow-up messages. This allows you to personalize your interactions, build loyalty, and ultimately drive repeat business. ServiceTitan often goes a step further with more sophisticated marketing automation tools, allowing you to create targeted campaigns, track lead sources, and measure the ROI of your marketing efforts. Housecall Pro provides excellent communication tools and customer history tracking, empowering you to deliver exceptional service and build lasting relationships. Mobile app experience. In the field service industry, your mobile app is your lifeline. Both Housecall Pro and ServiceTitan offer powerful mobile apps for technicians, allowing them to access schedules, view job details, communicate with the office, generate invoices, collect payments, and update job status in real time. User experience is key here, and both platforms have invested heavily in creating intuitive and efficient mobile apps. However, some users find Housecall Pro's mobile interface to be slightly more user-friendly and less cluttered, especially for technicians who may not be tech-savvy. ServiceTitan's mobile app, while packed with features, can sometimes feel a bit more complex due to its extensive functionality. Inventory management. For businesses that deal with physical parts and materials, inventory management is a critical aspect of their operations. ServiceTitan often stands out in this area with its robust inventory management features, allowing you to track stock levels, manage purchase orders, and even account for parts used on specific jobs. This level of detail can be invaluable for larger operations with complex inventory needs. Housecall Pro does offer inventory management features, but they are generally considered less advanced than ServiceTitan's. It's well suited for businesses with simpler inventory requirements or those that primarily focus on labor rather than extensive parts management. Reporting and analytics. Understanding your business performance is essential for making informed decisions and driving growth. Both platforms offer a range of reporting and analytics tools that provide insights into key metrics like revenue, job profitability, technician performance, and customer satisfaction. ServiceTitan often provides more in-depth and customizable reporting capabilities, allowing you to slice and dice your data in various ways to gain deeper insights into your business operations. Housecall Pro offers clear and concise reports that provide a good overview of your key performance indicators, making it easy to track progress and identify areas for improvement. Integrations. No software operates in a vacuum, and both Housecall Pro and ServiceTitan offer integrations with a variety of other business tools, including accounting software, marketing platforms, and payment processors. The specific integrations available may vary, so it's crucial to check if the platforms integrate with the tools you already use or plan to use in the future. Pricing. Pricing structures for both platforms can vary depending on the number of users, features required, and contract terms. Generally, Housecall Pro tends to be more accessible for smaller businesses with more straightforward pricing tiers. ServiceTitan, with its more advanced features and enterprise-level capabilities, often comes with a higher price tag and may require a more customized quote based on your specific needs. It's essential to get detailed quotes from both vendors to accurately compare the costs based on your business size and requirements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.